That's Mom's flower pot.
I know. I pay attention when I drive through town.
Diesel trucks. It says it's a 2.6 class, but the first guy out, he's a 2.5. Logan Belk out of Union City, Ohio, running one. And he's going to drop that hook and go back because he's testing. So ready, guys, come and get him. Man, I ain't just a little further high. I don't know where Matt Isaacs went. Greenville.
I think Mom is in my boat.
Matt Isaacs out of Lewisburg, Ohio. Here we go. Indiana, another one of the 503 diesel trucks, an 03 Duramax.
6 years of school.
I'd like to thank Dan's Transmission in the Banker truck. To have a mud ball. They probably put 10 or 12,000 gallons in that pit. You don't get enough water in to get it wet enough for mud ball. There's 14 or 15,000 gallons in this pulling track for both nights. Now it is the moisture starting to come up, the sun's going down. We got a good track now. Campbell, Somerville, Ohio. We'll bring him back and give him another try. As long as you get out.
Yeah. This was have a mud ball. This was have a mud ball this night.
Oh, man. He's just giving up on her. He said, smoke out Friday night at 7, Saturday at 1, and Saturday night at 7. All vendors, we have vendors down there and concessionaires, and it's a great time. Come on over, and plus a show and shine for semis. Come on over and see us. This is Raymond Young out of Union City, Ohio. Look at this! Look at this, Jimmy Van!
I think you're doing
Michael Carpenter's up.
What do you think?